you've been able to log in. And how are you able to log in? Let's just go to your file section. There's a section called login trade account. So once you've been able to open through the link we just provided, you're going to get an email from your broker which will give you a login ID, a password, and a server which you can be able to use. The moment you have this and you're able to log in, you're automatically going to get all your details. You'll hear a clicking sound at the back end just showing you've been able to log into the server, and you'll be able to see the connection feed on this. So pretty much here, this particular view is where you're able to see your candlesticks or your prices for your various security. And this section called the market watch has now the various securities which you can trade in. Mostly the major currency pairs are what are mostly traded. And case in point, like preferably what I prefer to trade is gold. But let's say you wanted, maybe you got a signal or you did your analysis and you want to trade something different. Let's say you want to trade the Euro USD. What you simply do, you just come on it, click it, drag it inside there. Simple. You've been able to change the market. Let's say I want to take back gold, or I want to add another chart, let's say, so that I can have maybe more than one security for better analysis. We'll just go here at market watch. In case you do not see any security, just right click on that and there'll be a specification called show all. It will be able to show you all the securities which are provided by that particular broker. You'll always be able to find the major pairs. Almost all brokers worldwide, they need to have at least that. So I was looking for the gold against the dollar. It's referred to as XAU USD. That's basically the denomination of that. This is XAU. So let me check it at the top because I've mostly traded it. Probably what you mostly trade in or what is mostly traded will usually appear on the top. So you can be able to do that, and it just changes everything on the market watch to provide you with that particular chart which you require. So there are more items which can be able to assist you as well here. There's the charting tools. You have the indicators which you can be able to use. If it's your moving averages, oscillators, this will be normally for people who at least have an understanding of how these indicators work, trend lines, support lines. Yeah, so that's where they're able to get a better understanding of that. You have the view where you can be able to display what you want to be displayed. If it's the market watch, if I didn't want it, I could remove this. If I wanted the data window just to give me more intel or more security about a particular security, I could be able to do that. So yeah, pretty much you're able to do that. And if you remember, we had added another security. That's why you see another tab came through. So let's say I wanted to add Ethereum. Ethereum is to do this. Maybe I wanted now out USD. Let me take it back to gold. I think I'll prefer trading that. Ethereum is a crypto for those who have an understanding of that. Yeah, just organize this. Yeah, you can be able to have a tiled view where you can be able to see whatever you're trading back to back. So there's so many things you can use with this. So many variations, so many options. You can just be able to have a look at it and yeah, take a look on that. So basically, if you wanted to place a trade, let's say you've been given, if it's your signal or something, say in this particular case, I'm looking at the prices. I can be able to change the view. I usually prefer to have certain colors, and I don't usually like some trend lines, the grid lines behind this. So you can be able to do that. If the prices are going, if it's bearish, let me have it be red, sort of in color. Let's see if it's going to reflect. If it's bullish, I want it to be green. That's okay. Um, if the buy is going down, let me have it red as well. Yeah. So you see that there's so many options you can be able to do the properties, change the colors, make it how you prefer it. So I usually prefer my bearish candles to be red and my bullish candles to be green. Someone else would prefer their bullish candles, they don't want to be black. So you can be able to do that. So if someone has given me maybe a signal, I've done my analysis and I want to, like in this particular market, maybe my trade is telling me that the market is bearish. Probably I want to go down on this. How will they be able to open a trade on a PC? easy way. At first, you can be able to go and look for a section where you can be able to click on new order. New order basically means you're going to open an order, you're going to open a trade. When you click on the new order, a pop-up arrives with what you're trading and the volume which you want. The higher the volume, the higher the risk, and likely the higher the rewards. The higher the volume you put, the more money or the more margin which is going to be required to open this trade. So let's say I'm going to take the least possible trade for gold, which is 0.01. Maybe have my stop loss, which will basically just prevent me from losing money beyond some extent if the market goes against me. So let's say I can put it at this level at 1910.24. And I have a take profit where I expect the market to be going. Maybe I'm expecting it to reach somewhere around 1901.150. This is just an example. Once I'm able to do that, and I've said I'm selling the market means I'm expecting the prices are going to go down. So I'm going to make money when the prices go down. If I was to buy the market, I'm expecting the prices to go up. So I'm going to make market money as the prices in the market go up. So in this particular case, I'm going to sell. I already have my stop loss. I already have my take profit. So you're going to see the stop loss has set itself. The take profit has set itself. Again, with the properties, you can always change the colors to whatever you want. You can always be able to move the stop loss. Maybe you want to take it up further. Maybe you can just be able to take it up further or take it out down lower by just doing something called one click trading. The moment you do that, yeah, you can be able to move it up and down. You see, you can be able to modify if you want. So if you want to be able to move something like the stop loss and take profits, just click on one click trading. It's going to give you that option to be able to move it. So like you see right now, I can't move my take profit. One click trading, let me move it. This usually helps when the market is moving so fast. Maybe there's some news or something and you don't have enough time to go back to the settings. Just enable one click trading and move on. So yeah, that's it. I see I'm making $0.10 at the moment as we speak. If it goes in my favor, I'll be able to make good money. If it doesn't go in my favor, I still have my stop loss. I can always be able to close this trade anytime which I want. How? I'll just go to that particular trade. I can be able to close the order. Maybe if I see I'm making good money, I can be able to modify it, adjust the stop loss, the take profit. Yeah, pretty much that's how you are able to have trades on your MetaTrader 4 platform on a PC.